Did you know the average person uses over 380 ballpoint pens per year, contributing to an estimated 1.4 billion discarded pens worldwide? Ballpoint pens are a ubiquitous office supply item, but their impact on our environment is staggering. From the manufacturing process to the eventual disposal of pens, the effects of ballpoint pens on our planet are multifaceted. Let's take a closer look at the life cycle of a ballpoint pen and explore ways to make our use of these pens more sustainable. First, we need to understand the composition of a ballpoint pen. A typical ballpoint pen consists of a plastic casing, a metal tip, and a small amount of ink. The plastic casing is usually made from a type of plastic called polypropylene or polyethylene. These plastics are often derived from non-renewable resources, such as petroleum or natural gas. But that's not the strangest part. The ink inside the pen is also a significant contributor to the environmental impact. Most ballpoint pen inks are made from a mixture of water, dyes or pigments, and other chemicals. Some of these chemicals can be toxic to humans and the environment if not disposed of properly.
Now, let's talk about the manufacturing process of ballpoint pens.
The production of ballpoint pens requires energy, water, and raw materials like plastic and metal. The energy required to manufacture a single ballpoint pen can be equivalent to running a small appliance for several hours. However, there's an even more surprising aspect to the production of ballpoint pens. The metal used in the pen's tip is often sourced from conflict zones or areas with questionable labor practices. This raises concerns about the social and environmental impact of our pen purchases. But that's not the end of the story. The disposal of ballpoint pens also has significant consequences. When we throw away a ballpoint pen, it can take hundreds of years for it to decompose. In the meantime, it can contribute to the growing problem of plastic waste in our oceans and landfills. So, what can we do to make our use of ballpoint pens more sustainable? One option is to choose pens made from biodegradable materials like bamboo or sugarcane. Another approach is to use refillable pens or pens made from recycled materials. However, these alternatives can be more expensive or harder to find. But there's an even simpler solution: reducing our use of ballpoint pens in the first place. By switching to digital note-taking or using pens with more durable ink, we can reduce our reliance on disposable pens. It's a small change, but one that can add up to make a big difference. And then something unexpected happened. A group of innovators created a pen that uses a special type of ink that can be easily recycled. This new technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about disposable pens. But wait until you hear what comes next. This technology is not just limited to pens, but can also be applied to other everyday items like water bottles and coffee cups. The implications are staggering, and it's clear that the future of sustainability is looking brighter than ever. By making a few simple changes to our daily habits, we can significantly reduce our environmental footprint. So, what are you waiting for? Make the switch to a more sustainable lifestyle today. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the world of sustainability. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Want to learn more about the fascinating world of sustainability? Subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve.